It is time for another episode of Des Driven. Check this out. Today we're going to be introducing my brand new 2025 C8 Corvette Z06 to the channel. This has literally been a goal of mine ever since I heard they were going to be dropping this 670 horsepower monster. And today we finally have it, baby. Welcome Z06. But what makes the Z06 extra special is this engine. If you don't know already, it's a 5.5 liter flat plane crank V8 revving all the way up to 8,600 RPM. So this thing just sounds nuts. I'm still in break-in period, and my homie asked me, what's your favorite thing about the car? By far, it's the sound. When you get in this car, it's like a symphony of exhaust nodes. It just sounds unbelievable, and I'm only going to 4,000 RPM. I can't even imagine 8,600, so I can't wait to break this baby in. Let's get a startup so you know what I'm talking about. This is the first time doing remote start, so it says hit the lock twice, hit this twice. That's literally nuts. Not even sure if you could hear me over this, but wow, insane. As we jump into the interior of the car, I really like the way that GM designed everything, right? So to me, everything is driver focused. It almost feels like you're in a cockpit. Everything is facing you. The buttons are facing you. The screen is facing you. The dash is facing you, right? So really driver focused. And the interior, right? I really like the quality of the interior. It's good. Like when you normally think of Chevy, like you think of like, not that quality or cheap. But I like the quality of the interior. Everything is really nice on the C8. So they did a great job. And then the infotainment, right? Apple CarPlay, it has all the technology, Bluetooth, all that, nav. But the CarPlay alone is exactly what I need, and it's a game changer. Right? Now I can't have a car without it. But these are the F1 gauges. This is my favorite gauge setup. There are a bunch of different ones, right? So let's see, I think this is gonna be weather. So weather setting, if it's raining outside, I tried this when I first bought the car, it was raining. So weather, game changer. My mode, you could customize it however you want right here. Engine, brake, suspension, steering. Tour, this is like cruising, right? So if I was cruising on a road trip, that's exactly what I would be doing. Sport, maybe some spirited driving, canyons or whatnot. And then track. When we hit the track, we're going to be on that bad boy setting for sure. So really happy with the way that GM designed everything. I'm loving it. This mid-engine, it's crazy just hearing that engine right behind you. It's a game changer for sure. So I just want to do this super quick video of introducing the Z06 to the channel. It's going to be a whole bunch of fun track days, reviews, and just out there madness with this car. So make sure that you guys stay tuned. But on the next video, we are going to be taking this car to Las Vegas so I can get some break-in miles. I'm going to give you my perspective if you could road trip in a Z06. Can we fit the luggage? How much miles per gallon do we get? Is my girl going to be comfortable? I'm going to be answering all those questions, so make sure that you guys stay tuned. So buckle up and let's get it.